Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make a second YouTube channel in just a few minutes. Let's begin. First, open your favorite browser. All right, I have Chrome, and I want you to focus your attention right over here. Click on your profile icon and then select YouTube Studio. Then on the left panel over here, you will have the option to select settings. Click on it, go to channel and go to advanced settings. Now scroll down until you see manage YouTube account. Left click and you will have this interface on your screen. Now, another easier way is you can go back over here, click on your profile icon, and just simply click on settings. The easiest way. Here, what we need to do is go ahead, click on create a new channel. Like for example, if you already created a second or more channels, it will show it here, add more or new channels. Just click on it. Then here, go ahead, enter your name. Just for a reference, it could be anything, nothing unique. For example, B. And the handle is what's going to be the most important part. It needs to be unique. So as long as you will see a check mark over here, that means it's available and ready to use. All right. So just make sure to add numbers or letters if you feel like your handle is being rejected. Once done, you can now create channel, or you can select your picture first and then click hit create channel. And that's it. So you can now refresh and your second channel should now appear on your account settings. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.